Good afternoon. I'm your local meteorologist, Mikel, and today was a nice, beautiful, sunny day outside. Looking at the Charleston Fish House Skycam right now, definitely a nice picture right here. Going hour by hour through your evening forecast, we are expecting a chance of rain all the way through midnight tonight with temperatures in the low 70s. So pretty mild out there, but nevertheless, definitely soggy. Yes, we are tracking a few storms out there right now. Looking at your live Super Doppler Max radar, you can see this line of showers has just pushed to the east of the 95 corridor. And as we go through lunchtime tomorrow, the bulk of that energy already pushes through our area, but we still can have some lingering showers behind that for your evening tomorrow. Tracking that storm, areas like Pringletown, you can expect this storm by 8:49 p.m., Prelude 8:52 p.m., Cross 9:03 p.m. So again, keep that in mind if you are in any of those areas. That storm is headed your way. But as we zoom out and expand the picture, you can see all this moisture back here in the Mississippi Valley, and that will begin to push its way right into our area overnight tonight and into tomorrow. A bit cooler along the beaches, sitting in the upper 70s, but as you go back inland, things warming up nicely. And check out Walterboro, sitting at 89 degrees, almost 90 degrees, so definitely pretty warm. Looking at the 24-hour temperature change from yesterday to today, it's noticeably warmer than it was yesterday, anywhere from 4 to 7 degrees warmer. Above average across the entire low country. A bit warmer along the beaches, sitting right at 70 degrees. Cooler as you go back inland, but temperatures still in the middle to upper 60s for tonight, so very mild. Around 6 a.m., we're expecting things to be mostly cloudy outside. By 8 a.m., those conditions will continue, but by 10 a.m., the clouds should begin to break up, and you may even see a few peaks of sunshine for those of you out there engaging with that Cooper River Bridge run. So definitely get out there. We are experiencing some moderate to heavy rain showers in between areas like Walterboro and Hendersonville. Also a few lightning strikes out there as well, so definitely not good to be outside right about now. Tracking these storms, and as we look at temperatures right here in Charleston, we are currently sitting at 71 degrees, winds out of the east-northeast at 5 miles per hour, so nice and calm out there. And taking a look at our Charleston Fish House Skycam, this is a beautiful picture right here. And here in Charleston, we are currently sitting at a temperature of 82 degrees, 51% humidity. Feels like 83 out there, so a tad bit muggy, but nevertheless still pretty good to be outside right now if you do have to. Looking at your Cooper River Bridge run, the race starts at 8 a.m. Rain chance less than 20%. Isn't that good news? That front begins to move through our area and increases our chance to see some showers and storms, and that trend continues right into Sunday. Even after the front pushes completely through, we can still be looking at the chance for some showers and storms, so definitely keep that in mind. Tracking these storms, you folks in the Pineville region can expect this to be in your area by 9:09 p.m., St. Stephen 9:26 p.m., Lane 9:34 p.m. So keep this in mind if you're in any of these areas, as there is the potential for some rainfall tonight in your location. As we zoom into the Walterboro area, you can see some moderate to heavy rainfall falling in between areas like Walterboro, Hendersonville, and even up towards Cottageville. As we look at areas like Holly Hill, Ridgeville, St. George, you can see a cell here off to the east of Holly Hill with moderate to heavy rainfall occurring here as well. Also some embedded lightning strikes out there. For tonight, we're expecting clear skies, calm and cool with a low of 48, which again is right around average for this time of year. Looking at your weather map, you can see a cold front is developing off to our north and northwest, and that's what's going to bring us our next chance to see some scattered showers and storms, particularly over this weekend as that front begins to move towards our area. Yes, we may be experiencing a few showers tonight. I can show you that right now. Looking at live Super Doppler Max radar, here you can see a line of showers extending in between areas like Walterboro and Manning. As we zoom into the Walterboro area in particular, you can see some moderate to heavy rainfall is falling in between areas like Walterboro and Hendersonville, also up towards Cottageville as well. Tracking these storms, areas such as Lowndes Landing, you can expect this storm to be in your area by 8:35 p.m. Somerville, we're expecting this to be in your area by 8:58 p.m. Goose Creek, right around 9:18 p.m. So keep that in mind if you do have to be outside for any reason this time of evening. As we look towards Holly Hill, St. George, Ridgeville, also some moderate to heavy rainfall occurring out here with some embedded lightning strikes as well. So definitely want to avoid being outdoors if you can right now. Areas like Prelude, we're expecting this storm to be in your area by 8:47 p.m. For you folks in Cross, 8:57 p.m. is the estimated time of arrival for this particular storm. So definitely keep that in mind again if you do have to be outside for any reason. Looking at your evening forecast going hour by hour, we are expecting this chance of rain to continue all the way through midnight tonight, ranging anywhere from 50 to 70%. So again, not good to be outside this evening. Temperatures in the low 70s. And in the next 7 minutes, I'll have that updated 7-day forecast for you and more coming up. Back to you. Good afternoon. I'm your local meteorologist, Mikel, and today was a beautiful, nice, warm, and sunny day outside. Taking a look at our optical impressions cam on top of the Holiday Inn, This picture definitely reflects that. You can see the Ravenel Bridge back there standing tall and bold, nice blue skies out there. Just a beautiful day to be outside if you do have any plans this evening. Looking at the temperatures right now here in the Charleston area, we are currently sitting at 72 degrees with sunny skies outside, so definitely feeling very spring-like. And those spring-like temperatures are reflected across the low country as well. Walterboro is sitting at almost 80 degrees, 78. 72 here in North Charleston, 70 in Mount Pleasant. A little cooler on the beaches, sitting in the middle 60s, but nevertheless still pretty mild and definitely nice temperatures to be outside right about now. Looking at the 24-hour temperature change from yesterday to today, today is significantly warmer than it was yesterday. Temperatures anywhere from 4, 5, or 7 degrees warmer than they were yesterday. So definitely a noticeable difference in the temperatures from yesterday to today. Looking at your live Super Doppler Max radar across the low country, not much to talk about here in the way of rain or any type of precipitation. But if we zoom out and take a look, let me show you what's going to be bringing us rain. Starting tomorrow, actually, this weather system right here, this low pressure system will begin to move its way into our area, and that will increase our chances of rain overnight into tomorrow. I will show you that in just a second. Looking at the weather map, here we go. Here's the low pressure system right here with the warm front and the cold front attached to it, rain behind the cold front, and all that will begin to push its way into our area throughout this evening, overnight, into tomorrow. Taking a look at Future Tracker, I can show you just when to expect those storms coming into our area. By 1 a.m. tonight, we are expecting clouds to already begin to roll into the area. And by 5 a.m., we could already be seeing some scattered showers across the low country area, definitely in the upstate portions of South Carolina. As we go through lunchtime, those showers begin to push through the area, remaining cloudy behind those showers, and some lingering showers may also redevelop behind all that energy that pushes through around lunchtime. So definitely be on the lookout for that if you have any plans for tomorrow. By Saturday morning, we're expecting things to clear out as far as precipitation, but we could still have a few lingering clouds for that Cooper River Bridge run that's coming up. Taking a look at the actual Cooper River Bridge run forecast, around 6 a.m. we are expecting things again to be mostly cloudy, but nevertheless still pretty decent to be outside for the bridge run. Only less than a 20% chance of rain, so definitely setting up to be a nice day for a bridge run. By 8 a.m. we're expecting still mostly cloudy conditions, but by 10 a.m. those clouds should begin to break up and becoming more partly cloudy in nature. As we look at your beach and boating forecast, for those of you who plan on being on the water anytime soon, tomorrow we are expecting a 70% chance of rain, a high of 67. Rip current risk is low for those of you that may want to go to the beach, but with this 70% chance of rain, really don't see anybody getting out there tomorrow. High tide expected around 8:59 a.m., low tide 2:59 p.m., so definitely not the best day to be out there on the water tomorrow. Looking at your next 24 hours, for tonight we are expecting temperatures to dip back to 58 degrees, so not very chilly at all. Still pretty mild for a low temperature, becoming cloudy and mainly dry for tonight. But as we get into tomorrow, things will get a bit soggy. Scattered rain, mostly cloudy, those showers moving in right about lunchtime with the high of 73 degrees expected for tomorrow. Looking at your 7-day forecast, again, things are looking a bit unsettled for your Friday with a 70% chance of rain, a high of 73. Your Cooper River Bridge run on Saturday, not looking too bad, a high of 80 degrees expected, only a 30% chance of rain, and less than a 20% chance expected the actual morning on Saturday morning. Sunday, those temperatures continue in the lower 80s through Monday, also into Tuesday, right around 80 degrees, sitting at 79 degrees, but things looking a bit more unsettled on Tuesday with a 50% chance of rain. 78 degrees expected for Wednesday and 76 degrees expected for Thursday with mostly cloudy conditions.